How to manage your posts on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your posts on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here just go down until you find activity log, click on it, and then here you will find this one. Click manage posts, and as you see here you can manage your posts. Just manage anything you want and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.